How to use gender swap in FaceApp. Ever wondered what you look like as the opposite gender? With FaceApp's powerful AI, the gender swap filter makes it surprisingly realistic and super fun. First, launch FaceApp app on your device. Now go to your photos and choose a clear front-facing photo. Once you choose it, scroll to the filter bar at the bottom. Here, scroll to it and tap on gender. You'll see options like feminine, male. You can just go to male. It had traditionally masculine features. Let us add male. Like this. Tap on each one to preview the transformation. Like this. Okay, choose it like this, and once you are done, tap apply and then hit save to download your transformed photo. And that's it. That's how you try the gender swap in FaceApp. Realistic, fast, and a little bit mind-blowing. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments. Did it surprise you?